Hello and welcome to Sarah's Samut-Sari. In today's video, I'm featuring Turkish Mosaic lamps. I have always been intrigued by the beautiful designs and vivid colors in these lamps. So I enrolled myself in a class here in Sydney, and it turned out to be the most enjoyable class ever. So I am sharing with you my experience, and I hope that you will find this video informative and that you will also give it a go. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up or please subscribe. Enjoy!
Art Masterclass, formerly known as Mosaic Art Studio, is an art studio that offers a mix of traditional craft workshops in Sydney. It is Australia's first workshop that teaches the art of traditional Turkish mosaic lamp making. As soon as you enter the shop, you will be overwhelmed by the beauty and the colors of the lamps in all shapes and sizes. I was fortunate enough to be able to have a short interview with my lovely Turkish teachers, Danae and Nazli. Hi everyone, this is Sarah of Sarah Samut-Sari, and I'm here at Art Masterclass. These ladies are my teachers for the Turkish Mosaic lamp, and so there you go, Danae.
Hello everyone, we are here today with Sarah. We had such a good class here, and we are, as a master class, we are doing mosaic lamps and candle holders here. We started in January and then lockdown happened, but we reopened back in June. And now we are going well, and a lot of people are coming and making a lot of good lamps here. These lamps are actually traditional from Turkey, and we are all Turkish here.
Yes.
Everything is important from Turkey, as we are.
Yeah, we're trying to do everything in a traditional way, like with the patterns and with the colors, and we're giving people ideas to do it in a traditional way. We have a couple of options. So the people who comes to our class, they can do candle holder like this, and table lamp, swan lamp, Aladdin, and moon lamp. Yeah,
This is advanced class.
yeah, this is an advanced class because it takes a bit more extra time. But basically, we do these five things,
Yeah.
and the designs up to person. We have patterns and the templates. People can choose what they want, like which color they want, which color combination. We're just trying to explain the basic steps.
Yeah. It looks complicated, but if you follow the basic steps that we are telling you, it's going to be very well, and you will not believe what it turns out.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
All the time we see individual arts,
Yeah.
so, which makes it
it's the
special.
Is the best part,
Yeah,
I think.
exactly. Yeah.
Every lamp is so unique. Imagine that lamp is only your lamps.
After all the class that we've done together,
Yeah.
we're always having a chat. Did you see this lamp? Did you see this color?
Yeah.
Like, these kind of things making us happy.
Yeah, absolutely. And hope to see you in our class as well.
Okay, thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Bye-bye.
All the materials were provided. This included the hand-cut mosaic glass pieces, glass beads or pearls, glue, a hand-blown glass shade, a quality handcrafted metal body, and the LED light bulb. A geometric template was provided for us to select the shape and style that we wanted. This also gave us an opportunity to practice assembling the geometric patterns, select our color combinations, as well as learn the techniques for laying the tiles called tesserae. I chose to make a swan lamp. It is called a swan lamp because of its graceful neck. It took a while for me to select the geometric design and colors. Once you've chosen a design, you need to find the center of the sides of the glass shade. You will need to work out how many designs you will include in your shade, depending on the size of the geometric design. Once you've determined where you want to place your designs, you will need to work your way from the center outward. You need to put just enough glue on the glass shade for the glass pieces to stick on it. Too much glue causes the glass pieces to slip and slide. You can still move the pieces around for about 10 minutes or so before it hardens. Once you have completed gluing the geometric design, you will need to choose the colors of the beads that you will use to fill in the gaps between the geometric designs. Some chose a variety of colors to match the glass pieces that they've chosen. Others, like me, chose only one color. Gluing the small beads on was quite challenging and fiddly. You will have to ensure that the beads are stuck neatly and are not on top of each other. As much as possible, you need to try to fill in the gaps. However, don't be too fussed, as the beads and the glass will be joined together by plaster that gives it greater endurance and durability. During the class, a lovely light refreshment was served by Danae and Nazli. We had Turkish tea and Turkish biscuits. I managed to complete the shade of my lamp at the end of the class. I requested Danae and Nazli to do the plastering for me. Here are a couple of photos of my completed Turkish mosaic lamp. I am very happy with how it has turned out. It was certainly worth the trip to Darlinghurst. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, as we have more informative and how-to videos that we have lined up for you. Thanks for watching.